Here's how to download and install the Konica Minolta Bizhub 205i driver step by step. First, go to the official Konica support website on your computer. In the search bar, type Bizhub 205i. Then select your exact model. Choose your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS, and download the latest printer driver available. Always use the official driver to avoid compatibility issues. Once the download is complete, extract the file if it's zipped, then double-click the installer to start the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. When prompted to choose a connection type, select USB if the printer is directly connected to your PC, or network if the BizHub is connected via LAN. If you're installing over a network, make sure you know the printer's IP address. You can find this on the printer display menu under Network Settings. Enter the IP address during installation so your computer can locate the printer correctly. After installation finishes, restart your computer, then go to Devices and Printers and make sure that BizHub appears and is set as ready. Print a test page to make sure everything works properly. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.